Alright, leaving the workplace. Today, we're gonna look at a car for Miranda. She's finally selling her car, and so we're going to go, sorry, I wasn't pointing at me. We're gonna go check it out today. It's over in Brighton, over by Detroit kinda, so I'm heading from Kalamazoo right now over to her house, then we're gonna go. We're just looking at today because it's Columbus Day, which is dumb. I mean, it's not dumb that that's a day, but it's dumb that the banks aren't open at Columbus Day, but everyone else is. I didn't even know it was Columbus Day. But, so the banks aren't open, so she can't get her title to sell her car, and she can't go get her money to go buy this car, even though we were supposed to buy it today if it was good. So you'll see what it is when we get there, but we're still gonna go look at it, still gonna go drive it. I'll try to film. I don't know how awkward it will be. I guess it's a kid about our age that's selling the car. And I'll be back tomorrow if we do end up going to get it after she gets some money. So I'll let you guys know how it works out, but right now I'm in the old KZoo. We're gonna go get some, go look at a car.
Hello, Saucy. I am on my way to go pick up my new car, hopefully. Test drove it yesterday, everything was good. It is throwing possibly throwing a code. The check engine light is on, and the kid said that it was just throwing a code for one of the sensors. So we were supposed to use Lucas's code reader scanner. Shout out to Lucas for not bringing it to my house. But we're on our way, and I'm dumb. Sold my car today. Great, got as much as I wanted for it. Forgot to take my license plate off. So we're going to Brighton to get my license plate and a car.
Oh no.
The people got back to me about my license plate, so we're gonna go get it. But they live in Commerce, Michigan, which is further than Brighton. So once we get the car, we have to drive another 40 minutes to get my license plate. But we're only in Lansing, not yet. And he is just such a ball of joy today.
Well, Miranda did it. She bought the car. I'll show you guys when we get to the gas station, but it's you can kind of see it right there. It's a 2013 Volkswagen Golf GTI. It is an auto, but it's got the DSG, which is really cool. So it's only got 68,000 miles on it. So I'll show you guys around when we get to the gas station. But it's a really cool car. Hopefully we don't have any problems with it. And it ends up being really fun for her. It's pretty sweet. It has an intake and exhaust on it, so I'll show you guys when we get there. And yeah, that's what's happening.
Alright, Saucy, I'm in the GTI. I took it for another test drive, and the cruise worked, the paddle shifters worked. It ran good once I got on it, once it was warm. So I got a new car. I'll give you a little montage tour.
Miranda's loving it. We don't have any license plate lights, so for some reason took it out. So we got a whole lot of no license plate lights, so we gotta buy some of those and hopefully get those to work. It's got a J2 Engineering catback on it, which looks pretty dope. Hear it? It's got a CTS turbo intake, and it's got some lights on it that look sweet. But now we're gonna go back, so.
We are changing the oil.
The oil.
On my new
Changing oil.
still a little warm in there. Got the Volkswagen. We will be using this and that's
Make sure to tilt it up though. Yeah, what are you gonna say?
my car has a catless downpipe.
We didn't know. So Jade's has CTS turbo downpipe, CTS intake, some weird middle, oh I think that's the downpipe, and then it has the resonator delete, and then it has the J2 engineering cat bag.
Why did you take that out right now?
It's good, we're good.
I'm gonna die. I don't know how much I should have left in there.
Read it, it'll say this is up top at 5. That's the
So
point.
I need to go a little more. Because it said not to do, to leave that much less.
No, you need literally to leave like a sliver.
Why?
That's 0.5 quarts. It needs 4.9. That's 5 quarts. So it needs to be literally like just for the clears.
0.5 left.
Ooh. I'll try to set your whatever time so we know when to change it next.